This is another technology entirely. When we're talking about dual fuel injection system, dual fuel, in the sense that we use both fuel like diesel and the CNG at the same time. This one cannot run 100% on CNG, but I can tell you that this one is more like, this one is economical as well. Because before, you see this generator, before the conversion, if you want to run the generator for 6 hours, we might need 50 liters of diesel. But after the conversion, we just need 3 liters of diesel to run this generator with CNG. You can see the difference. We have about 47 liters. So with this conversion now, we've saved 45 liters. We don't need 45 liters of diesel. Do you know how much they said 1 liter of diesel now? 1,002. 1,002 multiplied by 47. And so this generator is a turbo engine. When we are talking about diesel conversion, we have aspirated engine. Aspirated engine will not have the turbocharger. This is a turbocharger. Come and see it. So if you look at the turbocharger, there's an impeller inside the turbocharger, and then we have the hot region and the cold region. So this is the cold region of the turbocharger. Come and look at it very well. This is the turbocharger. This is the exhaust. This is the exhaust. This is the turbocharger. You can see this side. This is the cold region, and then this is the hot region of the turbocharger. So that means intake we follow this side, and then exhaust will actually come through the turbocharger as well. So that's why in the diesel engine we don't use spark plug. We use turbocharger or we use glow plug. For the aspirated engine, we use glow plug. But for the turbocharger, we use the turbo to increase the compression. It is the compression that will actually cause the ignition. So because of the return part in the diesel engine, when you now integrate CNG to it, you have more return than before. Meaning that if you use 60 liters of diesel to run your generator before, if you install CNG to it now, you can just use 6 liters. I can tell you this generator is running 90-10. 90-10. Just like the way we have components in petrol engine, we have ECU for the diesel as well. So you have to install the ECU properly. It must not be close to it because of the electronics inside it. We have our map sensor. This map sensor is different from petrol map sensor. So the one we use in petrol engine. We have our regulator, the way we have it in the petrol engine. We have our injector ray. Look at the injector ray. This is the injector ray. And then we have our third nozzle. You know, in the petrol engine we have 50 nozzle for the intake, air intake. But this one, because we just have two injectors, so this intake will be our third nozzle. So though this thing is actually called nipple, air nipple. So those are the things we have here. But when you want to do your connection, we have our EGT. This one is very, very important. Without this EGT sensor, exhaust gauge temperature sensor, without this temperature sensor, the system will not work. There's no way you can do the calibration. So you must ensure that this thing, and if there's any problem during the installation, if there is any leakage, this engine will now be consuming more diesel than before because of the silence, there's a leakage in the silencer. So you have to be very careful when you are working on diesel engine. So the most difficult thing here is where to get RPM. Now we've been able to actually, based on our experience, we can get our RPM from the flywheel, we can get it from the cam sensor, and then we can get it from the alternator. You understand? So those are the components we have here. We have ECU, and then we have our switch. You can see the switch. The same way you can change from petrol, like if you want to run on petrol only, You can switch here as well if you want to run on diesel only. So sometimes maybe you don't have gas, and then automatically the way we actually install, like calibrate the system, if there's no diesel, if there's no CNG, this engine will actually switch, the system will actually switch to diesel automatically. But before switching to diesel, there will be an alarm, pam 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 pam, telling you that no more fuel, go and buy more CNG, refill the CNG.